What have I learned in Lesson 2, Planning and Conducting Experiments, Introduction to Design of Experiments?
Gain new knowledge about experiment and designing an experiment. So the main topic of this lesson is experiment. So what does experiment means? It means trial or a test. So mahabang o di kaya ito ay isang proseso na kung saan ito isang proseso na kung saan ay makakadiskubre tayo ng bagong bagay at saka makakasagot tayo ng mga katanungan natin sa ating mga isip. Because it could possibly control the errors, lessen the workload, improve the reliability of the product, and could improve the product itself. And lastly, the output. The output is the product of the experiment, and it is the key or the answer to our hypothesis and where we could get the results. So those three are the most important things that we should have during the experiment. There will always be difficulties in conducting an experiment, such as error of the inputs, uncontrollable factors, confusion of the variables to be used, and combined effects to the factors. All of those can make a negative, minor, or major effect to the experiment. And in conducting an experiment, always identify your problem to be solved. Then, aim your goal or your target of the experiment. Next is to brainstorm with your colleagues. Next is to design the experiment. And of course, do the process of the experiment. Next is to gather the data and analyze it. And finally, interpret the data and verify the result and conclude the result. And those are what I've learned in Lesson 2.